There's a new update for Insta360 X3. The update number is version 1.0.21. It came out yesterday on 21st November. The main updates are the pre-recording function that was promised at the time of launch has been included. For 360-degree video in 4K resolution gets 24, 25 and 50 frames per second, and there's a new slow motion 3K 100 frames per second has been added from the X2. In me mode you get 1080p extra resolutions for 25, 20, 24, 25, 50 frames per second, and you get routine bug fixes. I tried downloading it directly onto my X3, it failed, so I installed it from the PC, transferred directly to the X3, and it automatically detected it once I pressed update. It has a 85 MB download, and it worked very well, and I can show it in my X3 now. Okay, here's the X3. When you pull down, this looks totally different. There's a pre-recording function. You can have 15 seconds, 13 seconds of start before any video. When you click on, it seems a bit smoother. As you can see, you get new resolutions 50, 30, 25, 24. Yeah, and you get 3K, you get 100 frames per second, so you can get slow motion 360-degree videos. And you have to go to the me mode now. Single lens, me mode, you click on me mode. You click over here, you get 50, 25, 24. So if you go for 24, as you know, it will be cinematic type of feel. So these are the main changes, and it seems actually a bit more smoother. I don't know whether my version was previously slow, but I really feel it's much smoother than before the touch. If you people feel the same, do let me know. Thank you.